Hello, Spencer Taylor Jr. here, doing a tutorial, U.S. Marine veteran, entrepreneur. Just doing a tutorial on the sales incentive program that I use and other marketers are using called Advertising Boost. Here you have your name, your account, incentives. You can create bulk incentives. You can check your past redemptions, account resources, and log out. Here, for anyone that you want to give a vacation incentive to, you would just put their name and email in here. And here you have all the vacations that you can give away. Let the system do the work. And once you pick the one you want, let's say you wanted to pick Daytona Beach. You'll click Daytona Beach, name, email, then you would generate that from here. And then that person would get an email from the system. They also gave us as a bonus of Facebook advertising training, training, YouTube advertising, and Instagram ads as a bonus for those who utilize this. We know all businesses use some kind of sales incentive, whether it's a coupon you receive in the mail, whether it's buy one, get one free, whether it's a sales sign in the window. Everyone is using a sales incentive strategy to entice customers to either come in through the door or to reward them for their patronage. I'm going to go right on over here to resources. Here we have banner ads, and I'll click on that real quick. And as you can see, they have banner ads for those who might want to put it on their blog or, promote an opt-in list, their landing page. If they got something that they're trying to build a list and they want to get people to get to their list, they can actually use these. You can click on it and see this is for a roofer. They can actually do that, use that as their incentive. You can also preview it. They got one for cryptocurrency. For those of you who are sold in the cryptocurrency, you can use that. Incentives for everything. No one's going to say no to a free vacation. So you can use that as a tool because every business uses it. Here you also have your videos. I'm not going to try to make this video too long. I just wanted to go over this tool that I believe that marketers should be using. Whether they use it or not, they have to make that decision, but it can't hurt. And as you can see here, you have videos that a person can embed on their landing page, their capture page, so that now they have something to entice or to reward that potential prospect for opting into the list. Last time I checked, who wouldn't want a free vacation? Another great thing about this is you can give yourself a free vacation. It's not even limited. It's unlimited to how many you give out. I believe it's just one per household, but the thing is, you can give out unlimited vacations, incentives to those who either buy a product, join your team, refer a client to you, get a free consultation. They're also going to be adding cruises in here coming soon. I got the word on that too. So not only will we be able to give away free vacation incentives, we'll also be able to do cruises as well. Here, let me go into accounts real quick, because what I do here is user accounts. If I have a brick and mortar company that purchased something that I'm promoting, whether it's the Uplink Pro to provide free Wi-Fi services, or to use the marketing beacons to advertise their business to those who have mobile phones, what I do is I create a user account for them for 2 weeks as a say thank you for patronizing my business. And now they can use that for their customers. They can give away free trips to their customers. I have one business partner who gives away trips to those who cater his shop. One trip on an hour. Every hour he gives away a free trip to those who are there. So it's a great tool to get people in the door. Now, for those who join my team and can't afford it, I create their own account that will give them access to all the vacation incentives and all the resources, so that now that they can utilize that tool. Even if they're doing other businesses, they can still use that to do whatever they're doing. This is just my thank you and my gift to them for joining my team. I create that account. So I don't want to make this video too long, but I just wanted to talk about why you should think about or consider using something like this for your own business, because no one says no to a free vacation. I know that there was a car salesman who actually used this to get test drives. He offered a free vacation to come in and test drive a vehicle, and I believe he had 100 people test drive that vehicle. 46 people bought the car, but everybody still got the vacation. It was just getting them there. Now, what do you think the person that decides to buy a car is going to go? They're going to go seek out that salesperson because they received a free vacation, even if they didn't buy a car. All they had to do was come test drive the vehicle. That was it. So, for those of you doing health and wellness, hey, try the product for 30 days, get a free vacation. Who won't? Who won't try your product out for 30 days just to give it a try, to get a free vacation? So you're only limited by yourself. This is limitless. Knowledge is power, but it's useless if you're not using it. On that note, I'm going to end this quick demo. Just wanted to talk a little bit about Advertising Boost and how you can utilize it to help your business. I want to thank you for taking time out to watch the video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you on the beaches of the world. Thank you.